What's up and welcome to the vlog. I think it's number 205 or 6, but if not, it's the vlog after where I showed my pets. I saw an ant and I tripped. It's a sunny day. It's like 2:40 p.m. That means it's like 6:40 or 8:40 p.m. in South Africa, the Elephant Plains. But yeah, today it's a Tuesday. I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, I want to say a couple things here, or what I was just doing. I was looking through binoculars. I was looking at birds, and it was sort of hard to film. But yeah, I was looking at birds. The second thing, three things. Yeah, that was the first. The second thing, the car. The second thing. Earlier I was watching. Well, actually, I'll say that last. So, in February 15th, we are going back to the mountains. And if you want to see us in the mountains before, go to vlog number 120. We leave then, and then we come back vlog number 123, and we hiked and we went up the Grandfather Mountain. But we're going back in February 15th. We got the same cabin. We're going to go back there, but it's going to be a skiing trip. We're going to be skiing. So yeah, it's going to be my second time skiing. My first and my last time was... Last time I skied, not my, very last time. Whatever, of course. Was at Snowshoe. And I want to go back there pretty bad. Just to see where we were... Just like every year, we said we were going to go back there, but we never did. Whatever, so we're going to go back there in February 15th, come back leave February 13th and come back February 16th. I'll put an update video out in February, but also, yesterday, I think, actually, I was looking at Africam, or whatever. They have live webcams in Africa, and I saw a lizard, so I'm going to show you this. And also another thing, I'm actually going to say goodbye, but before that, it's Tuesday, and this coming weekend, I want me and my dad and whoever wants to come, we're going to use the kayak and see if it will float and stuff. So yeah, so I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for vlog, I think like 206 or something. So yeah, so I'm going to see you guys later.